In today's video, let's talk about how to fix the Facebook cannot block someone. If you're trying to block someone within Facebook and you're having issues with it, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out or a few alternative methods that you can try out in order to block them. So what you'll need to do first of all is if you are not able to block them within their profile of Facebook, what you can do is head over to the hamburger menu or the three lines on the top left, head over to settings within Facebook, and then just scroll down until you see the section called blocking. To this section, you can either type in the name or the email address, and their profile pops up where you can simply tap on the block option. So this is a great way to block someone if the traditional method using the Facebook profile is not working. Now, if you're having issues blocking from this section as well, what you can then try out is try to clear the app cache of Facebook. Simply tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon, head over to storage, and then tap on the clear data option. As soon as you do that, try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is try to uninstall Facebook from your device and then again re-download it. So these are the few things that you can try out in order to fix the Facebook cannot block someone. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did find it helpful. I'm going to see you in the next one.